was yours for the taking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I appear in front of you with these dark goggles because I am not feeling good. Like, I'm not feeling myself for the last couple of days now. To be honest, I haven't been feeling myself. You know how you just have this disgusting feeling in your stomach, almost like you ate something and it's just messing up with your system. You know, you just have that sick feeling in your guts. I've been having that feeling for the past 2 days. So yeah, at first I thought it was indigestion. I had green tea and hope that, you know, I would just poop the feeling away, but it has just continued. The last event I went to, the Valentine's Day event, the last one I went to, I was not myself at that event. I was feeling super tired. I was feeling so flushed. At different times I felt like I was going to pass out and I still had that disgusting feeling in my tummy. I didn't have any appetite. I couldn't eat anything. Like, everything that we were served at that event, I could barely eat, right? So last night Jesse had to take me to the pharmacy, so I got an antacid and it gave me warm medication because the pharmacist felt like probably I needed to get the warmth. And I mean, that's right on point because I don't even remember what decade I got the warmth last, so it's a good thing. And yeah, anyways, I feel a bit better today. I'm still on the warm medication, still on my antacid, but I feel a bit slightly better today. I'm still not feeling myself, to be honest. I have a lot of energy loss. Like, I don't have energy the way I usually used to, and I feel like it's just a combo of like stress from the last 1 week, 2 weeks, you know, and all of that. But I'm drinking a lot of this just to like boost my energy and stuff. But anyways, let's not start this vlog on a bit of a low note. Okay, today is Valentine's Day, guys. Yes, and hubby literally surprised me with a staycation. So we are going somewhere nice, somewhere cute for a staycation. So it's like a whole package, right? Staycation at this beautiful hotel. It comes with like couples massage, dinner in the evening, breakfast in the morning, and a couple of other things which I'm super excited for. So yes, thank you hubby for this Valentine surprise. I really need it. I really need it. I know I had a massage like sometime last week, but I need another massage. Okay, I need one more massage. All right, one more massage this new part. One massage every week is not gonna kill me. All right, so yeah, that is exactly what we're doing today. He just went to get Mia Rose from school. We're going to drop Mia Rose and Esther over at my parents' place for today and part of tomorrow. So yeah, this is super exciting. Just try to like put together a few things I would need between today and tomorrow. So I'm just packing this little suitcase over here. Look at this, guys. I have a lot of packages I wanted to unbox for you guys, but that would have to be when I return. Maybe in one of my next vlogs or something. Mia is back. Mia, oh, all the goodies from your orphanage visits. Oh wow. you went to the orphanage today? You did? Did you see all the kids in the orphanage? Yes. Oh. The dinosaur says what? How was school today?
Fine.
It was fine. I'm happy, my love. I'm happy.
I see Adana.
Oh, you start with Adana
It's in the show.
and Chinonso. Is that so?
Yeah.
Wow. Adana and Chinonso.
Yeah.
Jimmy, okay, you need to go and have your bath now.
Mommy.
So that we can get going. Mommy and Daddy are going somewhere fancy.
Mommy.
Yes.
I eat candy now.
What?
I eat candy.
You want to eat the candy? Let me see it. Show them your candy. Show them your candy.
Yeah.
Show them. But you would have this candy after your bath, I promise. Alright? So let's take you into the bathroom now.
Mommy.
Yes. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
No one wasn't even close.
No one gonna love you alone.
was for the taking. Guess I needed a home. But if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know.
Guys, we just got into our room. This room is so pretty. Let me show you guys. Let me just show you guys, okay? Guys, look at this. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this. We have our swan towels right here. Wow, this is something I've never really had for myself before, like this whole lovers thing in hotel room. I love the hint of blue that this place has. There's a hint of blue everywhere and I love it. Look at that, guys. Oh, this is so pretty. I wish I'm still in Nigeria at this point, because what is going on? Look at this, guys. Just look at this place. Oh, I just love this blue so much. The blue and brown, such a beautiful color combination. This is where the TV area is. Our boxes are here, but we'll move these boxes into the wardrobe right now because we want a clean space, okay? Look at this light up here, guys. Like, look at this light. So nice. What's that? The wardrobe? Like, it's so clean. Like, you guys know that I love clean spaces. Like, I'm obsessed with clean spaces. This place is exceptionally clean, as in it's clean to a fault, in fact. What? Wow, look at this. Wait, what room is this? What room is this? Executive room. Ooh, hubby booked us the executive room. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Then the bathroom, guys. The bathroom is massive. Like, the bathroom is huge. What is going on here? All of this is bathroom. So all of this is bathroom. This is just the sink area. Are you seeing how massive this sink area is? Like, are you seeing how massive this sink area is right now? Then on this side, there's a blind. There is a big bathtub here. And then the shower glass, massive, is on this side. Like, this is huge, like Mado. And then there's still a toilet over here. Like, wow. I legit feel like I'm in one country at this point, because everything is just looking so good. Hey, I'm so excited. Thanks, babe. Thanks for this. The fridge is even like transparent. Can you guys see that? The fridge is transparent right below the safe. This is like so dope. See, it's money that's making somebody not to be enjoying life. Because if I have money, why can't I come here for one weekend every month? Every single month. I don't know what time our massage is supposed to be. What time? We'll have to find out from the reception, because we do have a couples massage, and then we have dinner in the evening. Like, this is going to be so much fun. Oh, look at that.
You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was young and broken when I met you that night. Should've known you were something.
Guys, so we are heading downstairs now for our massage. We're gonna be having a Swedish oil massage. God, I love massages, guys. If you want to get me, book me a massage. I tell you, I love them. And what makes it even more fun is that the spa here, it's called, is it Y Spa or Ui Spa? It's run by Balinese. Like, the masseuses are Balinese ladies, women from Bali. So I'm gonna have a Balinese woman touching my body, and I love how the Asians do their massages. I absolutely love it, so I'm looking forward to that. We're having the Swedish oil massage. Yeah, so let's go down and see what this is about.
Didn't even close. No, it wasn't
Thank you. Hi. I'm good. Thank you.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself.
We just finished steam bath, right?
I feel like sleeping. Almost
We
slept.
just finished our steam bath and our Swedish massage. Hey, we feel like we're floating. Those women, hey, those ladies.
I didn't want to leave them.
Like, just so that this is the best massage he's ever had in his whole life.
Yep.
Amazing. So we're going to go back to our room, relax a little bit, and then go down to the pool area for dinner.
Much later.
This is more like it. Oh my god. Yeah, it's really cool. Hi, babe. Hi.
All that I crave when you're
Get that. Hey.
Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't.
My god, guys, we just got back in from dinner and dinner was so good, guys. Like, dinner was so good. We had, like, of course, a 3-course meal, but it was 3 different soups. You guys would have seen that in the clip. 3 different soups with like a bread roll. The fact that there were 3 different soups, there was a chicken and corn soup, there was a gravy kind of soup, and then there was a catfish pepper soup, all lined up for you. Like, that was crazy. And by the time we had that appetizer alone, we were already full. So when the main course came, we could barely even eat more than half of our food each. Like, it was crazy. The main course was like mashed potatoes, grilled chicken, sauteed vegetables, and just a mumbo jumbo of different things, mushrooms and broccoli, and it was nice. I was just happy that it wasn't the regular jollof rice or chicken and chips or all those regular things that we eat every other day. This was like so not regular, and I can't begin to tell you how much I enjoyed that. Look at how beautiful my room is. Like, this room is a vibe. Like, this place is sweet. It's clean, exceptionally clean. It's beautiful. It's just lovely. Look at the big glass of orange juice that they gave us. mighty glass of orange juice each. We could barely finish that. And then our dessert, we couldn't even touch it. Chocolate cake and red velvet cake, we could not even touch it. We just packed everything up, packed our remaining main course. We're gonna put it in the fridge and just, you know, take it home tomorrow or something, because man, we are stuffed. Jesse was shouting, I'm hungry, oh, I'm hungry, oh, I'm hungry, oh. He saw food, he could not eat again. But man, I had an amazing Valentine's Day. Can't even lie. Hobby really tried for me. Like, he tried for us. He tried for us this year. Honestly, had a good time. I low-key miss Mia Rose though. I low-key miss her, but we'll see her tomorrow afternoon. I beg, she go there all right. You saw food and you could not eat food again now. You saw food and you could not eat food. You were shouting, I'm hungry, oh, I'm hungry, oh, I'm hungry, oh. You're hungry, but when you now ate 3 different soups and bread roll. Today when the main course now came, we could not eat.
My stomach failed me. Oh my god.
Oh, your gra. Anyway, guys, we are calling it a night right now. I'm just gonna take off my makeup. This makeup that I just did for our small private dinner. But I'm glad I did it. At least I look presentable. So I will just basically take off my makeup and lie down on this sweet cozy bed, like sweet cozy bed with soft pillows, and have a fantastic night because I deserve it. Okay, anyways, see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys, from our lovely room at Hera. We had a good night. All right, good night rest. I'm low-key dreading leaving this place and going back to my real life. Like, I'm low-key dreading it so much, but I've had a very good night. Can't even lie.
I feel like staying.
You feel like staying here? Is it your house? They just brought us breakfast, so let's see what the breakfast is looking like. Guys, so breakfast just came. I think this is like bread. What is this? Is this bread or scones? I'm not sure. But we have omelets, we have sausages, we have some sauteed vegetables and some things. Then we have tea, hot water. It's milk. That must be honey. More milk, tea, more hot water. Very nice.
But all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what.
Hi guys, so we just left Hera. Okay, we just left Hera and I miss it already, guys. This place was amazing. We had a good time, but it's back to reality right now. Anyway, we are heading home. We don't get to see Mia until 2 p.m. when she closes from school. Her grandfather obviously took her to school this morning. Well, anyway, guys, I'll talk to you guys when we are back home, most likely. All right. Hey guys, this is future Alma. I obviously forgot to vlog. I don't think I vlogged when I got back home that day because, man, I don't know, but I had a very nice Valentine's Day celebration, and what made it even more lovely was the fact that we were in one place. You didn't have to go and join the crazy Valentine's Day traffic. You guys know how traffic can be on Valentine's Day in the evening. We didn't have to be stuck in any kind of traffic or anything like that. Basically everything that we did was in one place. Hotel, massage, dinner, breakfast, like it was in one place. That was what made it less stressful and more enjoyable. So we had a very good time. Let me know in the comments section down below how your own Valentine's Day went, whether you're a single Pringle, whether you're married, whether you are whatever your status is. Let me know how your own Valentine's Day went in the comment section down below. And yeah guys, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.